Hey everybody, this is Chase with Trick Tools, and today we wanted to give you a closer look at the Huth 1600 exhaust tubing bender. This is a lot more than just an exhaust bender. It's also capable of doing square tubing, and it has a really cool accessory on the back as far as a swaging box goes, an expander. It has some other cool accessories like rod benders that we'll show you throughout the video. The Huth 1600 is a ram style bender, and what that means is that the forming die is on this hydraulic ram and it advances forward into the tubing. These two counter dies will split and fold, applying pressure around the forming die, which will give you your bend. It's capable of doing anywhere from 1/2 inch to 3 inch OD tubing, 2 inch pipe, 2 inch schedule 40 pipe, and 2.5 inch square tubing. Huth did a great job of making the 1600 very user-friendly. To operate the machine, it has this convenient knee switch here, so your hands are free to position the tube however you'd like. But to advance the ram, you just have to bump your switch this way. To retract the ram, just bump it that way. The degree wheel is also visible at all times. It's really easy to look down and see exactly where you're at. The machine is capable of doing up to 165 degrees of bend depending on the tooling that you have. It will change per die. Tooling changes were also made really easy on the 1600. Everything rides on die pins, so you can just simply pop your guard out, slide the forming die forward, and those two pins are what hold it in place, and the counter dies are the exact same way. All right, we got some 3 inch exhaust tubing here and a 5 inch centerline radius die. We're gonna make a bend, show you guys how it works. All right, so here we got our 90-degree bend and our 3 inch OD material, and we wanted to give you a little bit of a closer look at this. One of the first things that you're gonna notice is this indentation on the inside radius of the bend, and what that is really controlled deformation. When the forming die comes in and applies pressure to the counter dies on the outside of the tube, those counter dies support the bend all the way around. It's basically just applying pressure and supporting the tube. If you did this in a rotary straw style bender, there's nothing supporting the outside. You're gonna get flat spots or wrinkling on the inside, and it's all because of that support. And you see the same thing on this square tube here. Bending square of any kind, the material on the inside and outside walls have to go somewhere. So a lot of the dies are designed with a ridge on the inside or a hump that pushes the material in, and all that is controlled deformation. And on the back of the machine, we have our end forming station. So you can go straight from bending to reducing in the swage box or flaring, whatever your project requires. And on the other side, there is expanding station. And if you need a slip fit onto larger diameter tubing, this can all be done right after bending on the exact same machine. Another really cool accessory to the 1600 is on the expander side of it. This rod and flat bar bender attaches into the same spot. It uses all the same controls, but it gives you the ability to build different exhaust brackets or different hangers. It really makes this machine more than just a bender, and it gives you the ability to build a lot of different components of either an exhaust system or different structural applications. Hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of a closer look at the Huth 1600. Check them out on our website. Click on the accessories tab to find anything that may suit your needs. And if you have any further questions, feel free to give us a call, email us, visit us on the website at Trick-Tools.com. Thanks for watching.